DCF valuation, also known as fundamental valuation, is a key skill set if you want to build your own independent model to value a business. At the end of this session, you'll have the skill set to build a forecast model that returns a DCF valuation for a business. You'll be able to come up with your view on the fair value of a business. We start the session by teaching you how to forecast the free cash flows and how we define the free cash flow to the enterprise. Secondly, we discuss reasonable ways to approximate the WACC, or weighted average cost of capital, for the business. Thirdly, we introduce two techniques to approximate something called the terminal value at the end of your valuation model. Finally, we show you how to combine all these numbers into a valuation for the business today. This session will be based on a real-life company, a real-life model, and by the end, you'll have determined a reasonable share price for this business. Thank you.